I am Aizali and you are watching Saiban News HD. Now we add some news from United Kingdom. Raja Sikandar Khan, chairman of the Kashmiri International Outfit representing the diaspora and the renowned think tank Global Pak Kashmir Supreme Council, in his speech at the Stop the Human Trafficking Worldwide seminar, stated that we should as individuals be vigilant at all times, and if we see any suspicious activities of the human trafficking or human slavery victims, we should inform the concerning authorities and also do even any small our efforts to help stop the human trafficking and modern day slavery. It would certainly make an impact on the multi-billion-dollar human trafficking trade worldwide. And also Raja Sikandar Khan emphasized on the experts on Stop the Human Trafficking to hold seminars in educational institutes such as schools and colleges to create awareness to most vulnerable targets of human trafficking. Chairman Raja Sikandar Khan invited on stage Dr. Farooq Khan to receive his Special Certificate of Appreciation Award in recognition of his dedication, contribution and consultation services to Global Pak Kashmir Supreme Council and general public as whole, as well for his contribution in charity work nationwide. Dr. Farooq Khan is a PhD doctor and has worked as an economist, consultant and advisor to British and European government for almost 20 years. Also, Dr. Farooq Khan has only last week won an award of the Best British Accountant Company out of 11,000 accountant companies. Amongst the speakers on Stop the Human Trafficking Worldwide were Sheikh Dr. Ramsey, Director of Oxford Islamic Information Center, Justice for Rohingya, UK Stop Human Trafficking, Justice for Gaza, and Oxford City for Sanctuary Capt Ali Javed, Director of STW Pilot and Peace Advocate. Dr. Saif Bakshi, Director of STW, Addiction Specialist, Author, Speaker, TV, Radio and Social Media Personality. Dr. Arthur Cassidy, Academic Mental Health Expert and Celebrity Psychologist. Keith Best, former Member of British Parliament. Mary Shuttleworth, Youth for Human Rights. Edna Fernandez, Beyond Conflict of Dr. Farooq Khan. Fortini Guardella, Ben Israel, Lady Kendall Jagger and Lord Duncan McNair, Peaceful Planet.